I am Sailesh Prajapati from Saraswat School. Today I will teach you Chapter 4 Determinants, Period 2. In this Period 2, our topic is a area of triangle. Yes, students, area of triangle. You know that area of triangle basically half into base into corresponding heights. You know that. But here we explain by the rule of determinants. So now let's start area of triangle. In area of triangle, generally you know triangle have three vertices ax1y1, bx2y2 and cx3y3. This all three vertices utilize and I just simple formula utilize area of the triangle. So area of triangle students you just by heart the formula half in the determinant x1y1 is a vertices, x2y2 is b vertices and x3y3 is your three vertices. I mean C vertices, and last column compulsory you write down 1 1 1. Students, just you remember area of triangle never be negative, so always you utilize area of triangle be positive. So now I start, just let's continue to our numerics. Example 17, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are given 3 8 minus 4 2 5 1. So just you apply your basic formula, area of triangle half x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Students, here x1 y1 you taking any vertices, but I take you x1 y1 is a 3 comma 8, x2 y2 minus 4 comma 2 and x3 y3 is a 5 comma 1. And third column students compulsory you show 1 1 1 and solve by the definition our first row element the determinants and further calculate this equation, you get the answer just 61 by 2 square units. Yes students, always your answer is a positive for any area of the triangle. So 61 by 2 square units, and here complete our sum. Next one. Example 4. Exercise 4.3. Find the area of the triangle by the given 3 vertices, and here total 3 numericals. So first I have going to area of triangle half x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, and third column 1 1 1. Value fitting x1 y1 1 0, x2 y2 6 0, x3 y3 4 3. Students, I again remind you x1 y1 is any vertex is you taking either 1 0, either 6 0, either 4 3 as you like, and solve by the definitions. And if you further calculate, definitely I go to one answer, little answer 15 by 2 square units. Same as I explain you second. Area of the triangle, same formula half x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 1 1 1. x1 y1 you know just only 2 7, x2 y2 1 1 and x3 y3 10 comma 8, and further calculate by using definitions of the determinants, you getting just in the little form, and again further calculate, definitely your answer is just little 47 by 2 square units. Yes students, 47 by 2 is your second question answer, area of the triangle. Now I go to third one. Question number third. Same apply, area of triangle modulus half x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 and 1 1 1. Students, given third question x1 y1 is a minus 2 minus 3, x2 y2 3 comma 2 and x3 y3 minus 1 comma minus 8. Same apply here, definition for the determinants 3 cross 3 types. Further calculate and you get the little answer, it is 15. Yes students, 15 square units. Here third sum is also over. It means first question done here. Now question number 2. Question number 2, show that ABC are collinear. These are IMP questions, 3 marks question and board level questions. Students, when the 3 points are collinear, definitely you know lies on the same line. But here I apply by the concept of determinants area of the triangle. Yes, ABC are collinear, definitely area of ABC is 0. So that ABC is 0 area I calculate by the property for area of the triangle modulus half x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, and value putting x1 y1 is a comma b plus c, x2 y2 is a b comma c plus a, and x3 y3 is a c comma a plus b. Same apply, Our formula for R1, apply row 1 elements 3 cross 3 determinants and further calculate. Definitely you get in this portion value. And if you again I expand it, definitely my answer is 0. Yes students, answer is 0. This answer is 0 indicate area of triangle is 0. Area 0 means this triangle is not defined. Definitely the ABC is a collinear. Here I last show. So given vertices A, B and C are collinear points. Yes students, one more time repeat. This is a IMP question, board level question. Now next continue. Question number 3. Find the K if the area is 4 square units given. Now this time area given and missing letter K asking. So first I explain K0, 40 and 02 related sums. Same apply. Area of the triangle x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 but is equal to, this time I return 4 square units because already given in my question. Value putting x1 y1 K0, x2 y2 40, x3 y3 02. So definitely further calculate. My answer is in this way. In the modulus half minus 2k plus 8 is equal to 4. 2 common taking, you get the values minus k plus 4 is equal to 4. Students, you know that whenever you modulus define in the two parts, one of the positive, one of the negative. That's why I written plus or minus 4. One time taking plus 4 and calculate. Sure, my answer is k0. And second time taking minus 4 and if you calculate k equal to 8. So students, here k0 and k8 is both of the my correct answer. Now I move ahead. Question number 3rd. Same calculation, second question, apply area of the triangle half x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, 1, 1, 1, third column and is equal to write area 4 already given. Value putting x1 y1 is a minus 2 0, x2 y2 is a 0 4 and x3 y3 is a 0 comma k. If you further calculate, sure you get the little solution after 2 cutting minus k plus 4 is equal to 4. Here also students, my answer is at two positions plus 4 either minus 4. If I taking one time plus 4 and calculate, they get answer k equal to 8. And if you taking negative sign minus 4 sides, then next answer is a k equal to 0. Students, this both questions individually there are 2 marks question. Means third question first 2 marks and third question second question is also 2 marks. Next move. Question number 4. Find the equation of line joining 1, 2 and 3, 6 using determinant. Students, here asking line. So generally you know line have total 2 points 1 comma 2, 3 comma 6. Third point I just assume that p x comma y lies on that line. So here also same concept I utilize. Suggestion first, let p x comma y be any point on that line and other points already known you 1 comma 2, 3 comma 6. Generally on the line these 3 points definitely it is a collinear. So here is also area becomes 0. So area of the triangle that could be formed by this point is 0. So I apply that area of formula half in the determinant x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 but is equal to taking I here 0. Students, why 0? Because here area is 0 because point P A12 and B36 lies on the same line. Therefore, area of triangle is 0. Now apply that values. XY is a P point, apply x1 y1. 1 comma 2 is your B point x2 y2 and 3 comma 6 at the last point and further calculate by the definitions. Definitely you can take minus 4x plus 2y is equal to 0. After 2 common taking and rearrange, you get the value 2x minus y is equal to 0. Either you write y is equal to 2x. Yes students, that is our required line. This line is also the original form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Already you studied in 11th science lines chapter. Now continue 4th. Same apply 3 1 and 9 3. So I taking third points. Let's be suggest px comma y be any point on that line. And other 2 points a 3 comma 1 b 9 comma 6. Same concept apply. area of the triangle that could be formed by this point is 0 because they're not forming a triangle, they're forming only the same line. So area of the triangle here applies 0, putting the x1 y1 x comma y, x2 y2 3 comma 1 and x3 y3 become 9 comma 3, and further calculate by the definitions. You get the little equation minus x plus 3y is equal to 0, and rearrange, they getting minus 2x plus 6y, and last answer x minus 3y is equal to 0, which is our required line. Yes students, this question for only 2 marks. Question 5. Area of the triangle given 35 square units and vertices are follows there 2 minus 6, 5, 4 and k comma 4, and asking the value of k. This question MCQ type, but students this question for 2 marks. If you not MCQ given, then same apply. Area of the triangle x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 and third column 1 1 1, but is equal to I mention here 35 square units already given in your questions. So x1 y1 apply 2 comma minus 6, x2 y2 apply 5 comma 4 and x3 y3 is a k comma 4, and further calculate, you get the values for in that way half 50 minus 10k equal to 35, again 2 common and cancel, you getting that 25 minus 5k equal to 35, and whenever you modulus remove, they get the two answer plus or minus 35. Yes students, plus or minus 35, and one time taking plus 35, you get the answer k equal to minus 2, and if you taking minus sides, then k equal to 12. So k equal to minus 2 and k equal to 12, that's your answer ready here. K have two values. Yes, correct option is D. My answer is option wise going then D. Okay, next continue. Example 18. Find the equation of the line joining 1 3 and b 0 0 using determinants. And after that asking find k if you d k 0, same as area asking for the ABD as a 3 square units. Students, this sum is also IMP for 3 marks, already asking in board exam. So first I explain only half sessions. Equation of the line joining A 1 3 and B 0 0. Third point I assume that P x comma y. So suggestion, let the px comma y any point on the AB. So area becomes 0 and area become ABP 0. So area of triangle you know. Apply that formula x1 y1 0 0, x2 y2 1 3 and x3 y3 xy. Students, anywhere you putting xy, huh? It's not important. I putting here third row. You putting is also in the first row. Either putting in second row. And after further calculate, you get the y is equal to 3x. This is your equation of line AB. So up to that 1.5 marks over, which is the equation of the required line AB, y is equal to 3x. Yes students, up to that you written, then you easily get 1.5 marks and other 1.5 marks. So I again read the half question. Find k if d given k comma 0 is a point and ABD area 3 square units. So area apply, area formula you known, half into determinants 1 3, next 0 0 and next k 0, and is equal to write plus or minus 3 because here already area 3 given, and after expansion here directly putting plus or minus 3, and I further calculate, sure my answer is k equal to minus plus 2. Either you students write plus minus 2, both of the correct, don't worry. And here your another 1.5 marks over, so totally 3 marks question. And students again repeat, these are IMP questions. Okay, next. Yes, very good students. You are infinite. Your chapter 4, period 2 end here. Yes, easily you completed here second portions. First portion I explain only in the first period. There are three types, 1 cross 1, 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3. And in second period, I only and only explain you area of the triangle related, area of triangle and that related equation of the lines. Very good students. Thank you. Next further calculation in the next video.